So looks like either the turbo oil feed line, like we thought at TogeCon, or now that we're looking at it, there's like a puddle, or in that same area is where the dipstick tube actually goes into the upper oil pan, and the dipstick tube's like blown out. So I just like kicked it loose the second gear, just one little rip, and as soon as I did that, I could see smoke from oil coming off the exhaust, which is a big problem because that's a fire hazard. Like if more oil gets on that exhaust manifold, it's just gonna catch on fire. So I don't know if you want to get like down in there and see how easy it is. I need the oil to stay in the engine is what I'm thinking. We are at Import Alliance Bowling Green for their fall meet. Drivers are rolling in. We've got drift drivers pulling in, and they're, I guess, pitting further back here. We're lucky enough to have the car with our vendor booth and direct access to the track. So giving this thing a quick wipe down, just doing some clean, shine, and protecting, because yeah, we washed it yesterday, and then of course it rained and we had to drive in the rain. So giving this thing a quick wipe down, and then we will get it out on track when they go hot. Mike's got all the steering wheels set up out here at our booth and is gonna be selling inventory all weekend. So hopefully some people come and buy some steering wheels and some shift knobs, because that's what we're here for. lunch break at Import Alliance Fall Meet, and all the drifters have gone cold. They're in the pits. We've seen a few guys out here running some Conseil wheels, so we've got a bunch of their mechanics gloves, and we're gonna go find some of these guys who are already running the wheels and give them a little gift, you know? Alright, unfortunately that's the end of the weekend for us. I was doing a few ride-alongs for some of the Import Alliance staff and blew the differential. Yesterday we blew an axle. Well, that's nothing, that's easy peasy. We keep axles in the trailer. I was able to get that swapped out in about 25 minutes and go back out. Luckily there was a track exit that I was able to just coast out of and realized very quickly all the gears were neutrals. So we pushed the car back. Shout out to Austin and the other guy over there that helped us push the car all the way. Already kind of the end of the weekend. A lot of people have already rolled out. Mike's starting to break down the booth. So we're gonna go ahead, get this thing back on the ground, help Mike load up all the inventory, and it's time to situate the trailer and push this bad boy up in there, get hot ice back in the trailer, and get back home so that we can make some repairs next week and start preparing for the Chase Bays Invitational, or a driver appreciation event that they're doing at Polecat at the end of next month. So that's it for Import Alliance Fall Meet. We are so grateful to be out here. We appreciate everyone who came by the booth, snagged a steering wheel, snagged a shift knob, a t-shirt, whatever you did, came by, slapped our hands, said hi, whatever. We appreciate you guys, and thanks for seeing us out here. Blah, 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 blah. I'm getting out of here. Bye.